What are you doing?
My homework.
Why?
Because.
Because why?
Because I want to.
That's weird.
No, you are the weird one.
I am not weird!
You are weird.
I'm not weird.
You are weird.
I'm not weird.
You stole my...
I stole your what?
You want to hear something? She stole my colored pencils, and I took about 20 minutes looking for them, and no one else. My pen! This pen to be exact! She's crazy! And then she jumps on my bed at 11 o'clock this morning saying, get up! And then she has not put away her clean clothes that have been here since Saturday! Anything else you want to know, Camera?
They have not been there since Saturday.
Sunday!
They've been clean since Sunday, but they have not been there until this morning.
With them.
I do not!
She likes to be with her clean clothes, they smell so good.
Oh, this is so going on YouTube.